What's going on, everybody? I'm back. Been a minute, but today is Sunday, March the 30th, and today heading to what it is, the St. Jude's car show, car meet, tour drive here in Memphis. I'm with my cousin. There you go. And some other people pulled up, getting a little clean up. Wait till y'all see under the hood on this thing, man. But excuse me if my video a little bit bright. The sun is like where we sitting at. The sun ain't no joke. I'm gonna try to adjust y'all a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better. But yeah. It's 2018 5-0. Gonna get it right. Y'all gonna get a little snip of it when how it sound, get a crump. But once the other guys pull up, I'll pick it back up. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the post notifications. I'm gonna try to keep grinding for y'all, man. I'm trying to, but I've been so busy, trying to get my car back running. Hopefully it'll be soon. So yeah.
Hopefully that's where we going. Shit.
Yeah, I ain't ate nothing, man.
Me either.
I think they said they gonna have food.
Yeah, they said there's gonna be food in the show. Yeah.
Where you can get it now?
Alright, Mark got Nettos too.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
That looks like a house. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like
Yeah.
I'll bring it back up.
You'll make around 800 wheels.
Yeah. I just gotta check my email.
You got a little bit more.
You gotta read it too, Sean Bylaw.
Making more.
Yeah. Yeah, E85, on NA, E85 give you about 49, 50 horsepower.
I ain't even see the 500, okay. Oh, that's 350. Oh, it is. I ain't even see yeah, that's why I just.
I won't gotta take them.
Huh?
Won't gotta take them.
We gotta take the torch up there.
Give me one of these, that'd be straight.
Because they realize there's a place, there's a certain amount of people that's not going to see that interview. Yeah. So they're going to check their mail. Mail like old folks, maybe like me.
Yeah.
And
That's it.
and
What he's got in it? It's something big. Oh, it's the Sonic Heart? Yeah. Want to take it off? Want to take off the jacket?
Oh, my bad.
Nah, you good, you good.
Okay.
You're right, ours quit. Look amazing. Where's the sign?
At least they got a play of work over there for me. No, I mean,
Hey, you mind showing me that big block in there? Your car?
Understand. Understand a lot. She makes me a really good food and my baby is eating great.
It ain't nothing I'm a fan of.
oh my God.
Dun, 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 dun.
Still a work in progress.
Where you post from just today?
What's my favorite color?